I have the
Sit down.
Do I have the same rights?
You want me to hold you in contempt? Sit down. In that blue chair.
Do I have the
Sit down!
Ma'am.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's clip is another crazy sovereign citizen moment. And trust me, it's pure chaos from the start. The woman in this hearing comes in acting like the court doesn't have any power over her. She thinks she's found some secret legal loophole that will make her case disappear. Spoiler alert, she hasn't. The judge in this one is sharp and not playing around. He shuts down her fake legal talk in seconds. You can tell he's dealt with this kind of nonsense before, and he's not wasting his time. The whole thing turns into a showdown of common sense versus pure confusion. This video is short, but packed with drama and laughs. What do you guys think? Do these people really believe the stuff they say, or are they just trolling the system? Let me know in the comments, and hit that like button if you enjoy seeing these courtroom disasters. Alright.
I'm just trying to get my stuff situated so it's ready.
Take a seat
I have a
in
question.
this blue chair.
Do I have the
Sit down.
Do I have the same rights?
You want me to hold you in contempt? Sit down. In that blue chair.
Do I have the
Sit down!
there?
One more time. Sit down. Now you'll answer my questions. Got it? Did you understand all of the rights and plea options that I explained to you?
No, I do not understand.
Okay. Then I will enter no plea to the charges
I
filed against you. Well, let me just explain to you. You are charged, and I do have a signature on the citation which shows you've been served. You are charged with one count of no operator's license, a minor misdemeanor subject to a maximum fine of $150 plus court costs. You also are charged with one count of expired plates, also a minor misdemeanor subject to a maximum fine of $150 in court costs. I will enter no plea to these charges against you. You already have a pending. You already have a pending.
I object.
What do you object, Ms. Ma'am?
Because I did not enter that plea.
Okay, so you tell me how you would like to plead: guilty, not guilty, or no contest.
I'm not. First, I have to correct the standing, which is I am not the ens legis non begetter. I am the authorized agent to the decedent estate. I am coming in here as the settler, and I want to settle this case. I have sent in a paper that is my declaration and affidavit of what I want to do, which is to settle the case. I am willing to surrender the person to the court for mutual consideration. I do not want to continue doing this. I don't have anything to do with this. That paper that I signed, which is the summons, is signed V coatis, which is void contract, and I reserved all of my rights on there. So, is the court willing to give me mutual consideration today or not?
I will enter no plea on your behalf to these charges. I've given you 3 plea options to plead.
No, I do not recognize anyone in this court.
Okay, well,
I don't recognize you or the bailiff or anybody else in this court. I do not understand.
I will set this case for a bench trial, and we'll get this set.
I have the right to a trial by jury.
Okay, no you don't, not in this case.
Yes.
Now these are not jailable offenses, ma'am. You don't have a right to a trial by jury in this case. You already have a jury trial scheduled in another case, but then because you're facing jail time in that case. But in this case, you're not facing jail time, only a fine and court costs.
Anything that is above $25 in a court of law has the right to a jury by trial, which is involuntary. Involuntary can't be violated, basically, is what it means. So I have the right to a jury by trial.
No, you don't.
Of my peers.
Okay, so this woman clearly doesn't understand how court works. She's standing there arguing like she learned law from a random YouTube video. She keeps demanding a jury trial like she's in some big TV courtroom drama, but the judge stops her quick. He explains that this isn't a criminal case. It's just about her driving without a license and no valid plates. That means there's no jail time and no jury. But instead of listening, She doubles down and starts talking in weird legal language that makes no sense to anyone. Judge, go to the clerk's window and get a trial date. Defendant, I surrender the person to court. I'm not coming back. Judge, I have no idea what that means. Defendant, you do know what that means. Judge, no, really. I've been doing this for 36 years, and that doesn't mean anything. At this point, the judge warns her, go get your trial date or go to jail. Then she starts rambling about being the beneficiary and calling the judge a trustee. The judge calmly tells her that's not how it works. This isn't some fantasy contract. It's a real court. Finally, he makes it clear, either you go get your trial date now or you'll be taken into custody. And just like that, she goes quiet. This judge deserves a medal. He didn't let her nonsense drag on for 1 second. He was calm, firm, and made it clear who's in charge. Too many judges let sovereign citizens waste everyone's time, but not this one. He shut her down fast. These sovereign citizen types always think they've outsmarted the system, but they end up just proving they don't understand how the system works. The law doesn't care about your magic words or YouTube theories. It still applies to you. This whole hearing was a masterclass in how to deal with nonsense confidently and professionally.